BITB, known as Bitwise Bitcoin ETF. Bitwise launched BITB with a strong research brand behind it. It is historically known for crypto indexes, just like you have stock market indexes like the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq 100 that tracks performance of a bundle of companies. Crypto indexes also track performance of a bundle of cryptocurrencies. So BITB is built for investors who want low-cost access to Bitcoin. And if you're asking why Bitwise Bitcoin ETF, well, Bitwise Bitcoin ETF is ranked second because it has the lowest expense fee. It is also one of the largest funds on this list in terms of assets under management. It controls over 5 billion in assets and has a higher daily average volume than the other top-ranked ETF. BITB Bitcoin ETF currently holds 42,461 Bitcoins in its portfolio.